Hey there, ever wondered how Siri or Alexa understand you? That's all thanks to natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand, interpret, and manipulate human language. It's a complex field, combining computer science, linguistics, and machine learning. The roots of NLP are in the 1950s with machine translation, but it's really taken off with the rise of big data. Significant developments. Well, in the 80s, we saw the introduction of machine learning algorithms for language processing. Then, in the 2010s, deep learning models contributed to a rapid evolution in NLP's capabilities. Today, NLP is everywhere, from search engines and voice-enabled TV remotes to helping businesses analyze social media data. As for the future, NLP is moving towards more interactive and human-like systems. Think real-time translation or advanced chatbots. So that's a quick tour of NLP. Fascinating, isn't it? To explore more on this topic and other skills, log into Gyata.ai. See you there.